Good day everyone, you are welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I want to show you how to clear list of recent file names in ERDAS Imagine. This is very important to have a clear workflow. If your file's name are too much, it may be confusing to know where to navigate to. This is what I mean. In ERDAS Imagine, if you want to bring in raster or vector data, for example, you just right click at the view and click, for example, open raster layer. So now if I click on recent so that it will help me to easily navigate to my working folder. Here you can see list of recent files name, and if you look here, they are so much, and this can be somehow confusing. So instead of leaving everything like this, I can choose to clear them so that I can have a clear list of recent files name. Now to clear this very recent files name, just click on clear and you can see it has cleared all. I now have a very clean recent file name such that it will not be confusing me again. Then if I want to navigate to my working folder, I can just click on this arrow to go back, or I can click on this drop down and select, for example, my C drive and go to my GIS data. Here are my folders, and whichever folder I want to locate, I can easily locate them. So with this, it helps me to easily know where to go instead of having list of recent files open that can be confusing. So this is how to clear the list of files name in ERDAS Imagine. Thank you for watching.